Gun smoke. Oh, oh, fart. We take it back once. Take it back twice. Nah, fuck it, man. 3 times. Take it back 3 times. 2 step, 1 step. Oh. Yo, white smoke. Fucking don't choke on the smoke when I'm fucking flowing out the mic. Fuck you, have your bitch right for a night. Fuck your bitch on the clip. Gonna put it in her. Gonna fucking do it. I don't give a fuck what you gonna do. You coming up to me with a gun. No, I'm not gonna run from you with your gun. I ain't fucking playing. You know what we fucking saying on the mic. I take a fucking dog while I fuck your bitch in the fucking clips. Fucking pull a clip, I lock the door while I'm fucking your whore in your fucking bed. I'll come on your pillow. Fucking ain't Willow's caravan. Nah, man, we gotta go there first. Get on, get some fucking bod. Gonna get a fucking FIFO. Now I wait, whiffle, ball back. Gonna come at your head. Fucking waking up your dead. You're waking up dead. Oh wait, you won't wake up. You're a fucking sped. You're fucking dead when I see your next little bitch. Come after me, you little bitch, little clip. Run at me, I fucking stomp it to the fucking ground, you little bitch. Don't hide in the bush to come after me when I ain't fucking looking, cause I'll grab ya, stab ya, chuck at me boot, then I'll fuck off and go get a fucking root. Then I come back, I drive it out bush and I leave you there to die. Fucking die, leave it like that until I see your skull. Gonna cut your face off like fucking droll. Cut your face off and use it as a mask, cause I fucking don't give a fuck. Could I leave you on the grass face down?